Hello my dear students, welcome to English literature class. Students, as we have already started the chapter number 10, a spectacular debut of class 6. Today we will continue with the second part of this video, and we started reading about a famous gymnast, Deepa Karmakar. In the beginning we read that how did she start her study in a Bengali school just because of her gymnastics practice, that she wanted to study in this Bengali school because Bengali school provided her the extra time for her practice, and how did she started her sacrifices. Fine. And now reading from the last paragraph on page number 75. Karmakar narrowly missed a podium finish in Rio. She fell 0.15 points short of bronze winner Julia Steingraber of Switzerland, but her performance catapulted her from near anonymity in the country to limelight on the global stage. Words of praise poured in from peers, Biles included. She was accorded a reception on a par with medal winners P.V. Sindhu and Sakshi Malik, and was conferred the prestigious Padma Shri award. Most important, Karmakar is now a household name in a country that is often accused of a blinkered devotion towards cricketers. So students, in Rio Olympics, Karmakar missed a chance of winning bronze medal. She fell 0.15 points short, and the winner of bronze medal was Julia Steingraber. Though Deepa missed this chance, but she won the hearts of many people with her excellent performance. Biles, who is an American gymnastic artist, praised her, and Deepa got the same honor as P.V. Sindhu and Sakshi Malik, and she was awarded with the Padma Shri award. Prestigious means having high status, reputable. Fine. So she was awarded with the reputable Padma Shri award, and now she has become a renowned personality. Fine, students. And here the sentence, she is now a household name in a country that is often accused of a blinkered devotion towards cricketers. Students, you know very well that India is such a country where applauses are showered upon cricketers. In that situation, it was difficult for Karmakar to make a name for herself in gymnastics. तो इंडिया में जैसे शी बिलोंग्स टू इंडिया, तो इंडिया में क्या है, लोग क्रिकेट के दीवाने हैं. दैट मीन्स क्रिकेट पे ब्लाइंड फेथ करते हैं. तो ऐसी एक कंट्री में जिमनास्ट के लिए अपना नेम बनाना दीपा के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा टफ था, बट शी डिड. I grew up doing gymnastics. I enrolled for it even before I started school, Karmakar told Forbes India as she settled down for a chat post practice at the Indira Gandhi Stadium in the capital. She had just returned from a break at her home in Agartala in far-flung Tripura, where she began dabbling in her sport in the mid-90s when she was barely 6. Karmakar's father was a weightlifting coach at Sports Authority of India, Tripura. Her uncle a gymnast and aunt a state-level swimmer, so sport was always a priority. While in other families kids are pressured to study, I never faced any such compulsion. That made it easier for me to pursue what I was good at. She said, I have a feeling my father always liked gymnastics and hence made me take it up. So students, Deepa Karmakar mentioned in a famous magazine, Forbes India, that she had been started her gymnastics before she started school. She told this in chat post practice at the Indira Gandhi Stadium. Fine. She said that she was nearly 6 when she began dabbling. Dabbling means international interest, international sports इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे जो स्पोर्ट्स होती हैं, दैट मीन्स शी स्टार्टेड डूइंग प्रैक्टिस फॉर द डैबलिंग इन हर स्पोर्ट्स इन द मिड 90s. Here she told about her family that her father was a weightlifting coach at Sports Authority of India, Tripura. Her uncle was a gymnast and aunt was a state level swimmer. So sports was always her priority. She mentioned that she was not forced to go for study only like the other children, as mostly kids are pressured to study, but she never faced such a compulsions. So with the support of her family and especially with her father's support, she became the best gymnast and achieved her goal. तो यहाँ पे वो बताती है कि जैसे हमारे घरों में क्या होता है, मोस्टली फैमिलीज़ में जो पेरेंट्स होते हैं वो बच्चों को इंसिस्ट करते हैं ओनली स्टडी के लिए कि आपकी परसेंटेज अच्छी होनी चाहिए, आपके ग्रेड्स अच्छे होने चाहिए, बट उसकी मतलब कर्माकर ने बताया कि मुझे ऐसी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं मैंने फेस की, क्योंकि मेरी फैमिली भी स्पोर्ट्स में ही थी, इसलिए जो मैंने चाहा वो मैंने करके दिखाया बिकॉज ऑफ हर family's support. Fine. So moving on the next paragraph, in 2002 when Karmakar was 9, she won her first gold medal in the Northeast Games held in Agartala. However, she still wasn't serious with the sport. It was her first coach Soma Nandi who spotted her talent and handed her over to her husband and state level gymnast Bhisveshwar, who has remained her coach and mentor since. The turning point for Karmakar come in 2007 when she won 5 medals, 3 of them gold at the Junior National Gymnastics Championships held in Jalpaiguri, West Bengal. By then, I was old enough to understand the sport and developed an interest. She says, since then, Karmakar has won as many as 77 medals in state, national and international championships. So students, in 2002 Deepa won her first gold medal in Northeast Games held in Agartala. Fine. At that time she was 9 years old. She was not very serious about sports. That time her first coach Soma Nandi recognized her hidden talent and sent her to her husband who was state level gymnast Bisweshwar. Students, जब वो 9 years की थी और उसने गोल्ड मेडल विन किया, शी वॉज नॉट वेरी सीरियस. वो मतलब स्पोर्ट्स को एक पैशन मानती थी, पर जब उसके कोच सोमा नंदी ने उसका टैलेंट देखा कि शी कैन डू मच मोर दैन दैट, उसने देखा कि ये इससे भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा आगे जा सकती है, तो उसने सोमा नंदी ने अपने हस्बैंड को उसका कोच बनाया. दैट मीन्स दीपा को अपने हस्बैंड के पास भेज दिया प्रैक्टिस के लिए. Fine. In 2007 it was a great turning point. टर्निंग पॉइंट क्या होता है? जब हमारी लाइफ में बहुत कुछ अच्छा होता है, पॉजिटिव पॉइंट जिससे हमारी लाइफ में बहुत बड़ा चेंज आता है. टर्निंग पॉइंट इन दीपा's लाइफ व्हेन शी वन 5 मेडल्स. अब 2007 में उसने 5 मेडल्स मिले थे उसे. 3 गोल्ड मेडल्स एट द जूनियर नेशनल जिम्नास्टिक्स चैम्पियनशिप हेल्ड इन जलपाईगुड़ी, वेस्ट बंगाल. तो जलपाईगुड़ी जो कि वेस्ट बंगाल की सिटी है, वहाँ पे जूनियर नेशनल जिम्नास्ट चैम्पियनशिप हुई थी. उसमें उसे 3 गोल्ड मेडल मिले थे. आफ्टर दैन दीपा बिकेम परफेक्ट इन जिम्नास्ट एंड 177 गोल्ड मेडल्स. नाउ सी स्टूडेंट्स, 77 मेडल्स. अब 77 मेडल्स विन करने इट्स नॉट दैट ईजी. तो मीन्स शी बिकेम परफेक्ट इन जिम्नास्ट एंड 177 गोल्ड मेडल्स इन स्टेट, नेशनल एंड इंटरनेशनल चैम्पियनशिप. Fine. So however the initial days of training were anything but smooth, recollects Karmakar. From inadequate infrastructure to paucity of funds, she had to battle many challenges. I had to make do with discarded second-hand equipment and irregular sized landing mats. On a few occasions, I also had to use parts of an old scooter to do my waltz, she says. See students, Deepa recalled her old days, initial days of training. So in her initial days of training, Deepa faced a lot of obstacles, from inadequate infrastructure to paucity of funds. She had to make do with second-hand equipments, irregular sized landing mats, and on some occasions she had to use parts of an old scooter to do her walks. अब वो बताती है कि जब उसने जिम्नास्टिक्स की प्रैक्टिस शुरू की थी तो कैसे उसने मतलब बहुत सारी चीज़ों को फेस किया, जैसे कि फाइनेंशियली उसको काफ़ी ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम्स थी, उसकी वजह से उसके पास न्यू मॉडर्न टाइप के इक्विपमेंट्स भी नहीं थे, उसको ओल्ड सेकेंड हैंड इक्विपमेंट से प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ती थी। और कई बार तो ऐसा होता था कि उसको वॉल्स के लिए स्कूटर के टायर्स के साथ स्कूटर के पार्ट्स उसको यूज़ करने पड़ते थे अपनी प्रैक्टिस के लिए। फाइन। One of her toughest trials came from flat feet, a physical trait a gymnast can ill afford. In one of her training sessions, she was told it would affect the quality of her jump. A medical test almost ruled out gymnastics for her. Fine, but while her detractors were busy pointing out what she couldn't, it helped Karmakar sift out what she could. It always helps to know the negatives. I decided to give my best and work around them, she says. See students, just because of her flat feet, she suffered a lot. Even she was told in one training session that flat feet might create problem in her gymnast career. So as gymnastics would not allow the flat feet players. तो बच्चे फ्लैट फीट प्लेयर्स कौन से होते हैं? जैसे जो फ्लैट फीट होता है, जब हम पैर रखते हैं लैंड के ऊपर, तो हमारा जो अगर हमारा फ्लैट फीट है तो पूरे का पूरा जो हमारा पैर है उसका जो स्टैम्प लग जाता है लैंड के ऊपर। पर जो मतलब एक परफेक्ट फीट होते हैं वो मतलब बीच में से पैर के सेंटर में से थोड़े ऊपर को उठे हुए होते हैं। तो जो दीपा का जो फीट थे वो फ्लैट फीट थे, और जिम्नास्ट में फ्लैट फीट वालों को बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम आती है रनिंग वगैरह में, तो उसने ये वाली प्रॉब्लम भी फेस की। और पर जो फ्लैट फीट वाले होते हैं वो जिम्नास्ट कर पाना उनके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा टफ होता है, पर उसने कर दिखाया। She proved herself in doing the activities which she couldn't do. Even it helped Deepa to know her negatives, and she decided to overcome her deficiencies and work around them. And while her detractors pointed out her mistakes, she proved herself doing the best. तो जब उसके डिट्रैक्टर्स जो बोल रहे थे कि ये नहीं कर पाएंगी, इसके फ्लैट फीट है, उसने कर दिखाया।